So I got the same thing. Today I'm taking a look at the big and tall office chair. So our instruction manual is a large, thick piece of paper. Here is our bottom cushion. As we can see on there, that is a nice thick cushion. One of the main reasons I got this one is because this is a cloth material, not a leather material. I find that the leather material has a tendency to make me sweat. I wanted something that was more breathable. Definitely a wide cushion. And you can see we got that nice contour there on the front. Here is our headrest. It's a very rare thing to actually see cloth on one of these things. Most of the time this is a mesh. It is going to be adjustable with this little bracket. It looks like that is just going to clamp onto the back. Looks like this is our main support that attaches the bottom to the back. And here is the back. We of course have that lumbar support that is going to be adjustable, and you can also move that up and down. So here is our main base. This is important because this is going to be what holds all of our weight. This does appear to be fairly thick metal, and I appreciate we put a nice big flapper here on the side. Here is our armrest. This one does appear to be kind of a pleather material, and we got a push button on the side to adjust that up and down. I also like seeing they actually put the screws in there already, so I don't have to go hunting for them. So I got the same thing. The button popped out of the arm, so you can kind of see in there I got a little screw right there. So that is just to wedge that button out so that it holds this armrest up. Now when I went to sit down, it reclined all the way back. So that is why this drawer is no longer here. It is sitting on the ground over there. Now if we look right there, we can see a wheel. That didn't start happening until recently, but of course, a natural thing. Take the guy, flip it up. I gave this guy a twist, and I twisted the heck out of it, and still does the same thing. That's also not a problem. All you gotta do is take this guy, push that in, and push that in. Okay, so now the back is locked in place. I have to fully extend the reach, so this is me using the back support. I also noticed it wasn't moving around very smoothly. You see that wheel, it doesn't want to pivot or anything. If I pick the chair up, wheels just fall right out. So it does have a very nice cushion. I really like that. I wish the back support was stronger. I wish the base was better. I really like that headrest. The button doesn't really matter. I just wish it hadn't broke. But overall, that is not a usable chair.